Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally finishing our game. But before we jump into it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks a lot. Now let's get it started. Okay, first we need to load the sniper scope. Let's pick a sprite for it and get it ready. So upload sprite and here we go. In a previous video I already showed where my resource bank is located on a Google Drive. You are right. And what we can see here, a sniper scope.png. What is the picture? Is it? We can observe gray and white cells like in chess, and it means a picture supports a transparent background. So if you find a picture in the internet by your own, you should be confident that picture has a PNG format, because only PNG format has a normal transparent background. Okay, if we scroll it with your mouse, we can see background like a transparent. Okay, moving on. Now we need to place a little dot right here in the center of the scope. This will help us later when we check whether the scope is aligned with the target. Okay, you can decide by your own which color you will use, but I will use like something like based on a red color. Okay, pick up a color and place a little dot right here. Okay, in other words, we prepared our scope for better aiming. Just leave the dot there for now, we will use it soon. Okay, after that we want to bind the scope to the mouse cursor. So here is how we do it. We are moving to events and click when green flag clicked. After that we take a control and forever loop cycle and motion go to random position. Not random position but mouse pointer, and here we go. If we run it again, we can observe our game via our optical scope, but I don't like this name, so let's rename it like scope. Okay, here we go, done. Now our scope follows the cursor perfectly and it's named like a scope. Let's go to the next step. Next up, we are going to hide the main Dino and only show its clones. We will be working on with them from now. Just in case, I remind you, in the previous video I already said about it, and our Dino should be hide, our main character. We work only with clones, so here we can observe a special buttons, hide and show sprite here. So let's create two variables as well. Make a variable score, okay, and additional variable, let's name it Dino left, just like that. Now head over to the Dino's code and add a forever loop after the main code, our forever loop, and because we need to check if Dino's left equals 0, we should trigger a message, something like all dinosaurs made it through. After sending that message, add stop all block to end the game. So we go to events and broadcast message, and here we can create a new message like all Dino are gone. Okay, but we can send this message only after our Dinos left become a 0. So let's add a simple check. If then we paste it here, and operators equal not 50 but 0, and if our variable dinos left equals 0, in that case we broadcast all dino are gone, and add as well from events or control, I don't remember, delete this clone, stop all. Okay, here we go. Here our blocking until we click our green flag again. Now, here's the most amazing part. Inside clone's code, we should add a complex check. Now, let's head on control and paste here if then construction, and here we should add operator and. What's the point of it? We need to paste if touching color sensing, if touching color, and here we can take from our red point. We can actually take only one color because our mouse pointer is already binted with a scope, so we can click red color, and the second condition is a mouse down, so we should check if mouse down and if our Dino touching color red, so our Dino cross with red point. So we go to sounds and add we can actually add custom sound, but I prefer to use a ready sound. For example, C lang or crunch or crank engine, a lot of here, or pew. Let's check it out. Pew, nice sound. And here, if both of condition are true, we add sound and play sound pew until done, or just start sound pew. So let's click on green flag, and when we click just on Dino, we play sound pew until it's done. Okay, but we should also delete our Dino, so we paste here delete this clone, and we should rise up a score and decrease Dino's left. So we head out onto a variable and change Dino's left by 1 by -1, and change not Dino but score by 1. Okay, and let's check it out. Go, our Dinos are falling, and when we click on them, we can see Dinos left -6. Why it occurs a problem? Okay, actually when a green flag clicked, by default our Dinos equal 10. So set Dino's left to 10. Not 100, but 10. Okay, something like that. And when we click on our Dino and score, we forgot about score. Score is set score to 0. Okay, now it's completely full coded. So Dino's left 10, and every time we click on our Dino we can hear a sound. Oops, what's the problem? Maybe until done it's not a proper code. Let's try start sound pew. We don't need to wait until it ends, so let's click it again, and here we go. We can we can even win this game. Okay, Dino's left 4 and score 6. So how we can see, we shoot out a 6 dinosaurs and 4 dinos left. Okay, time to customize our game. How you have already seen on the preview, there are not any red line on the background. So let's fix it. Go to backdrops and choose a line like a tool. I will pick our color like red and a little brightness, less brightness. It's up to you which color to use. I will use something like red. Okay, now we paint our red line. Let's see, just like that. Okay, and when our dino are just falling down, or when we touching this color and mouse down, so if we click on our dino, we can see that we shoot in our dinosaur and our score is rising. So let's play in it. Click, and here we go. Our game actually works. We just made an awesome Sniper Dino game. Now go taste it, and I guess we can add something extraordinary. For example, let's choose a sprite and paint a text. So we can type here something like good game. Okay, and let's scale this text. Good game. GG. In the games, it's very often when players are typing GG, so we will congratulate our player like good game. But when we should show this sprite, it also sprite. Our good game is a text, you are right, but it's sprite as well. Okay, let's move into events, and when green flag clicked, we hide this text. And how you remember, we are broadcasting all Dino are gone. So when we go to events, and when I receive, we can take that block. When I receive all Dino are gone, in that case we just show our text, and how you can see, our block stop all, just stopping our game, and we can't move our scope anymore. So let's play it in a full screen. Okay. We can click. I want to kill all of them. And for instance, one or two or a couple our dinos are gone. And where is our sprite? I can see when green flag clicked, hide. When I received all dino are gone, show. And dinos left 2. Here we have a mistake. Dinos left 2. No. Even if our dino weren't killed, anyway, when he disappear in that block, if y position less than -100, we delete this clone, and here we forgot about change dinos left by -1. So in that case it will works perfectly. So let's play again. Click, and another one, and good game. So how you can see, I'm moving our cursor, our scope, but it's a good game. Our score is 6. So it was amazing game developing. We just made an awesome Sniper Dino game. Now go taste it, polish it, and most importantly, enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.